So here's our USB webcam. We're going to connect this with our USB and we're going to find an available spot on our computer that we're going to plug it into. So here's the computer view. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in so you can see what happens when I plug it into the computer. You can see at the bottom that it's saying, hey, we found your device, and we're going to go ahead and install some stuff to make sure that's up and running. So I'm going to click on it. It should start installing the drivers. It does its own thing. You let it load up, kind of just take its time, and it'll let us know when it's done. And right there, it's letting us know, hey, we're finished. We've got it up and running. Now what you can't see is that I'm inside of the program Zoom, and inside of Zoom I'm going to click on camera and I'm going to select the camera webcam, and now I should be able to see myself. Woohoo, done. Yes, you should be good to go. Remember, all you do is you plug it in, you let it do its thing, run, and it'll tell you when it's done. Logitech also offers some additional software so you can tweak the visuals, the color, and all that. Download it if you have room. If you don't even worry about it. You'll be fine.